Hi guys, welcome back to today's video. So today is the day 2 of my November weight loss challenge, and today I am making another amazing and delicious meal replacement smoothie. Today I am trying something that I have never done before and I want to show you. I'm telling you, this came out really nice, more than I expected. So one of the things that we will never do in winter in this house is to eat salad. My husband does not eat salad in winter because it is cold. He only eats salad. He can eat salad every day in summer because it is warm. So, but I have to look for a way in this weight loss journey. I have to also look for a way to incorporate these vegetables into my meal. And because I'm skipping a lot of meals and I'm taking a lot of smoothies, there is a way that I must make sure that I eat vegetables. That one is part of it. So these are the things that I'm going to be using. Carrots. I have made smoothie with carrots years back. And secondly, beetroot is something that is also a vegetable. Okay, so today is going to be like vegetable, and there is no single fruit inside this smoothie. So this is a vegetable smoothie that I'm going to make the same way I make fruit smoothies. So I am using cherry tomatoes, beetroot. This is heavy cream. This is called Zana in Germany. It's heavy cream. That is what they call it in English. So carrots is vegetable. Cherry tomatoes is vegetable. Cherry tomatoes is very delicious. Then this is my protein shake. So I added water to blend. Okay guys, this combination I have never tried before. I don't know if anybody have combined even if you're not combining anything. I decided to go for this what is it called, Zana, this heavy cream, because I didn't want to use yogurt. I can also use yogurt, which I'm going to try maybe in the next week. Okay, so and I am very anxious of how this is going to taste and how it's going to come out. Okay. The protein powder, you can use any protein powder of your choice. Okay, you don't have to use mine. And if you want to know the one that I'm using, you can write me. I don't want to use a publication to the company. They are very nice, they are very good, but you can also write me. So this is what I got. If you look at it very well, you will see the color of that tomato inside this. Honestly, I don't know how it tastes. Let's test it. This is amazing. This is super amazing. Try this. Post.